Hey, good to see you again. Imagine a phrase or an expression that does not mean what it means. Confusing, right? But that is exactly what idiomatic expressions do. They do not mean what they literally say. Idiomatic expressions have an extended or figurative meaning that is different from the real or literal meaning of the words that make them up. It is usually difficult to understand idiomatic expressions from the angle of the single or individual words that make them up. Let's see some examples. Kick the bucket. In the ordinary sense, someone could actually engage in an action of kicking the bucket, but in a figurative sense, it means to die. We do not really know where the idiomatic expression kick the bucket originated, but some people think it came from the Irish phrase kick the bucket, where bucket is a pronunciation of the Irish word bucéad, meaning life or soul. Another theory suggests that it came from the 18th century practice of suicide by hanging, where the person would stand on a bucket and then kick it away, causing them to hang. And what about this? Break a leg. Break a leg means good luck, so it does not literally mean to break your leg. This idiomatic expression possibly originated from the early 20th century, where it was believed that saying good luck could bring bad luck. So people in the theater world used break a leg as a substitute. Some also trace it back to ancient Greece or the Elizabethan era, with enthusiastic audiences stomping their feet or chairs in approval. Have you tried waking a sleeping dog? What was its reaction? I bet it was not pleasant. That is what our next idiom says. Let sleeping dogs lie. It means to let things be, or avoiding reviving a controversial or sensitive issue that may cause trouble or conflict. It advises leaving things alone and not stirring up trouble or conflict unnecessarily. The phrase, let sleeping dogs lie, has its roots in the 15th century. It is believed to have originated from the idea that if you wake a sleeping dog, it may bite or cause trouble. Similarly, if you revive a controversial or sensitive issue, it may cause trouble or conflict. Using idiomatic expressions add flavor to your vocabulary, allowing you to express yourself in unique and creative ways, more like sounding posh, so to speak. See you next time with some more idiomatic expressions and their origin. Bye!